Now I hope you have little bit idea about what Google Analytics tool is. Actually, there are large number of metrics that Google Analytics present to its users. So let us try to understand why Google Analytics is important for every marketers to take the decisions. Google Analytics is free. Google Analytics is very powerful tool. Many people think that it will be very costly. But to your surprise, the Google Analytics is totally free. You need not to pay even a single penny to Google to use the Google Analytics. Just create an account with the Google Analytics and it will start working for you immediately. So, what else do we want? Thanks to the Google. Data collection process is automatic. Google Analytics saves you a lot of time as the data collection process is automatic. As I discussed, you need to just embed a unique code in your website. The process of data collection from your website will start immediately. Google Analytics presents the reports in a very simple and understandable way. You can access these reports directly from Google Analytics dashboard in various formats. Detailed insight of the audience. The audience reports of Google Analytics provides a detailed information about the people who visit our website, like their age, gender, interest, devices, and the location, and many more. This type of data is very useful to the digital marketer to take the decision timely. Customization of reports. As web analyst or digital marketer, there are so many instances when we need the reports in a customized form. A report will be called customized when we want data according to our requirements, not in the standard format. Google Analytics comes very handy in this regard. There is a full flexibility in the Google Analytics to create the reports in the desired format. In Google Analytics, there is a specific tab called Customization, and you can use this tab to create your own reports. So I will talk about the customization of reports in detail at an appropriate time. Integration with other platforms. This is very good feature of analytics. You can integrate the Google Analytics with so many other platforms without any problem. For example, Google Analytics perfectly work with the Google Ads. Although rich data is provided by the Google Ads to measure the performance of ads, but you can further have the insight about the ads and customers who are clicking on your ad by analyzing it in the Google Analytics. Google Analytics is not restricted to desktop only. It perfectly works on tablets and mobile phones, both on Android and iOS platforms. I will talk about how to integrate the Google Analytics with the Google AdWords in a subsequent module. Real-time reporting. You need not to wait for hours to collect the data from Google Analytics. There is very good feature in the Google Analytics where you can have the real-time reporting, like how many customers are there right now on a website, how much time they have spent, from which source they are coming, which device are they using, and so on. So it will help you to take the decision in the real time as well. You can change the price of a product on the basis of real-time demand by analyzing the data in the real time. Google Analytics add-ons are available. There is no doubt that Google Analytics is a great tool of its own to capture the web analytics. But there are number of add-ons available for Google Analytics. These add-ons are released every month, and these add-ons are very useful to increase the quality of the data and the productivity of Google Analytics. Google Tag Assistant, Tag Manager Injector, and many more are examples of Google Analytics add-ons. Ability to measure the internal site search. Most of the websites have internal search box to search their site internally, like you can see in e-commerce sites. The search box is there to search for various product and product categories. Google Analytics can provide you the detail about what people are actively searching on the site. It will help you to discover keywords for SEO purpose, discover keywords for PPC, expand your product assortment, and optimize the performance of your site search visitors. Data from social platform. Another very good feature of Google Analytics is that you can analyze the traffic that is coming from the social media sites. As we know, social media is a good source of traffic, so there is a need to understand the audience in a better way that is coming from the social media sites. Google Analytics can clearly measure from which social media platform traffic is coming to your website most. So accordingly, you can change your budget of promotion in favor of that platform. So this was an introductory discussion on Google Analytics. So we understood in this module that what Google Analytics account is, how does it work, and why it is important for every marketers. So in the next module, I will practically show you how to link your website with the Google Analytics. So just join me in the next module.